Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vinegar at home with lemon. Combine lemon peels, sugar, and water in a sterilized jar and cover with breathable cloth to ferment. Store the jar in a warm, dark spot and stir gently every few days to encourage activity. Taste after 2 to 4 weeks and strain when acidity is right. Bottle and label for household use or gifts. Start by choosing a method. Use a splash of raw vinegar or rely on wild yeast from the lemon peels. Add 1 part sugar to 4 parts water and stir to dissolve completely. Pack peels into the jar, pour the sweetened water, and leave headspace for bubbling. Cover with cloth, secure it, and check daily for fermentation signs like bubbles and a developing tang. Adjust storage if mold appears. Quick recommendation: if you're juggling jars and stirring, stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle. It keeps drinks cold and fits kitchen life perfectly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical guides. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can pick one up. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. When the smell turns pleasantly acidic and the flavor is sharp, you're close to done. Strain out peels and any solids, then transfer the liquid into clean bottles. Allow it to age another week or 2 to mellow if desired. This deepens flavor and reduces harshness. Keep labeled bottles in a pantry or cupboard and always use clean utensils to avoid contamination. Enjoy in dressings, cleaners, or marinades.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.